won the first ever Formula One World Championship in 1950? The options are A. Juan Manuel Fangio, B. Giuseppe Farina, C. Alberto Ascari. The correct answer is Giuseppe Farina. Which F1 driver has won the most world championships? The options are A. Lewis Hamilton and Michael Schumacher, B. Ayrton Senna, C. Sebastian Vettel. The correct answer is Lewis Hamilton and Michael Schumacher. Who was the first woman to score points in Formula One? The options are A. Giovanna Amati, B. Susie Wolff, C. Leela Lombardi. The correct answer is Leela Lombardi. Which driver won the 1989 F1 Championship after colliding with Ayrton Senna? The options are A. Nigel Mansell, B. Alain Prost, C. Nelson Piquet. The correct answer is Alain Prost. Which team has won the most Constructors' Championships in Formula One history? The options are A. Ferrari, B. McLaren, C. Red Bull Racing. The correct answer is Ferrari. Which driver won an F1 World Championship in a car he built himself? The options are A. Jack Brabham, B. Bruce McLaren, C. Colin Chapman. The correct answer is Jack Brabham. Who was the first American driver to win the Formula One World Championship? The options are A. Dan Gurney, B. Phil Hill, C. Mario Andretti. The correct answer is Phil Hill. Which F1 constructor won the very first Formula One World Championship in 1950? The options are A. Ferrari, B. Mercedes, C. Alfa Romeo. The correct answer is Alfa Romeo. Who is the youngest ever Formula One World Champion? The options are A. Max Verstappen, B. Sebastian Vettel, C. Fernando Alonso. The correct answer is Sebastian Vettel. Who was the first driver to win back-to-back Formula One World Championships? The options are A. Alberto Ascari, B. Juan Manuel Fangio, C. Stirling Moss. The correct answer is Alberto Ascari. Which city hosts the prestigious Monaco Grand Prix? The options are A. Monte Carlo, B. Las Vegas, C. Jeddah. The correct answer is Monte Carlo. Who was the first driver to win a Formula One Grand Prix for the Williams team? The options are A. Alan Jones, B. Clay Regazzoni, C. Keke Rosberg. The correct answer is Clay Regazzoni. Which driver has won the Monaco GP, Indianapolis 500, and 24 Hours of Le Mans? The options are A. Jim Clark, B. Mario Andretti, C. Graham Hill. The correct answer is Graham Hill. Which driver won in NASCAR F1 and the Indy 500? The options are A. Mario Andretti, B. Emerson Fittipaldi, C. Nigel Mansell. The correct answer is Mario Andretti. Which F1 legend was nicknamed Black Jack for his tough racing style? The options are A. Bruce McLaren, B. Colin Chapman, C. Jack Brabham. The correct answer is Jack Brabham. Which circuit was the home of the French Grand Prix from 1991 to 2008? The options are A. Paul Ricard, B. Magny-Cours, C. Dijon-Preneurs. The correct answer is Magny-Cours. Which driver won F1 titles in 1977 and 1984 after a brief retirement? The options are A. Niki Lauda, B. Keke Rosberg, C. Alain Prost. The correct answer is Niki Lauda. Who clinched the 2008 F1 title by passing Timo Glock on the final corner? The options are A. Fernando Alonso, B. Lewis Hamilton, C. Kimi Raikkonen. The correct answer is Lewis Hamilton. Which F1 track is known as the Temple of Speed? The options are A. Silverstone Circuit, B. Autodromo Nazionale Monza, C. Circuit des Spa-Francorchamps. The correct answer is Autodromo Nazionale Monza. In which country is the Circuit des Spa-Francorchamps located? The options are A. Belgium, B. France, C. Germany. The correct answer is Belgium. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and subscribe to Fajura IQ for more fun quizzes.